if you guys don't like me and start and follow me, actually, I'm so sorry for this situation. It was my mistake, actually, just because of bad relationship between our managers, Vicky and my manager. I was emotional, and just posted this because I was tired to do this gift, and then Teresa said that you don't need it, and we will share to you picture. And we was angry, but okay, we agreed with that. Me and Vicky, exactly, we are in the good relationship. We texting each other, and yesterday we texted like hearts to each other, like good night, like it's like absolutely normal, and like nothing happened. Actually, I want that Akhirnya, my manager, do a video about this situation by herself, because she communicated with Teresa, and it was between Teresa and Akhirnya, and me and Vicky actually don't do anything. But I am posted it, and I'm not against Vicky. Like I like him; he's a good person, but his manager is really strange. I don't say that she's bad. I don't know her. Just because she was rude to my manager, and all this situation sucks. It's just like it was really annoying. I don't like when someone rude to my friends, and Akhirnya is my friend to the first, and then she's my manager. Today I apologized about my posts because so much person start hate him too. So I just want to say that just don't hate anyone, because it's bad to hate anyone. I have so much more problems between my family. I mean, not between my mom, not between my biological dad, maybe. Yes, it's called like that. Guys, I have stepfather, and stepfather more like father than my biological father, because I have some problems with him, and these problems between my haters, between this manager, between this Vicky, it actually doesn't matter for me, because I have so many family problems. So I know that popularity it's not forever thing. Okay, I was ready for that, and I'm actually ready for that right now. I like Arabic persons. You know what? I like Islam atmosphere. I don't know why this is strange, but yes, this make me more calm. Yes, this make me more calm when today in the airport I heard Quran and like 3 times. Yes, and I don't know when Quran starting. My airports just turn off. Yes, turn off. And it was really unreal or something. Yes. And people who write like unfollow Dayana thinks that I will lost more followers. It doesn't matter for me, because I want audience from Russia and something with these countries. Indonesia is matter, but if Indonesian don't love me, why I should get worried about it? I actually do some stuff, and I actually will be more popularity in Russia and Kazakhstan, and it will be more better, yes, for me, because I will understand them, and they will understand me. And of course, for advantage, it will be better.